Hi folks, it's Boz here and I'm going to do my annual Airfix Catalogue page by page video. As per normal, I do flick through it page by page, so if there's something that takes your fancy or catches your eye, just press pause and then you can look at the page. It's quite simple. I do put music in and I know people complain about it. If you don't like it, just turn the volume down or turn the music off. It's quite simple really. But yeah, we'll go through it page by page, and then at the end of the video, just let me know which kits have really taken your fancy. And by the way, you can buy this catalogue with a mystery bundle on the Airfix website. They're available for £9.99, so you get a mystery kit and a catalogue for £9.99, which is a bargain. Anyways, let's have a really good look at the catalogue, and as I said at the end, tell me which kits take your fancy. Just very quickly, jumping in the video, if you are enjoying the content on this channel but are not yet a subscriber, will you please consider becoming a subscriber? It's totally free. Just click subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Personally speaking, 2026 has been one of the best range launches that Airfix have done in many a year. 47 different tools, reboxings, new schemes, new ideas like the Legends, all coming out. Vintage classics, we've all wanted that hovercraft for quite a while, and it's now available. What was your standout in this catalogue? Let me know in the comments box below. Anyways, that's it from me. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. In one of the four corners will be a video or a playlist of other content on my channel you might like to watch. Hopefully, I'll see you in there.